much longer. Been working too hard for this shit to not pop, so we about to get it poppin' now. Quiet life of desperation, so I'ma have to live a little louder. And no, I ain't gonna end up like the man trying to figure out the man who got it figured out. I just bought me a new condo.
Hanggang lunch na tayo.
8 o'clock yung exam ko. Nasa Espanya pa ako. Sa Airbnb. And 7:30 na. So, nagpalit ako ng pants para makapag-angkas ako. See you later. Ay, down po. Po! Guys, andito na ako. May free dito sila. Oo, ang dami.
Kita. Yung uso.
Oo. Timer! Papakit ka man na. Oh, ano na?
Kamukha ni AJ, no?
Tap mo. Daming daga, ate.
Nakamucho siya, di. Sa iba siya nakatingin.
Hi guys. Ito siya. Rating passengers. Daniel Padilla pala ito eh. Hi guys.
Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Tangi!
Tangi! Sabi ko. My army! 30? Nandun ka ba ba? Ay, wala ka pa palang balas eh. Magpisa lang mga ko.
Ay, hindi ko nagpaalam. Parang hindi natin ako nagpaalam.
Akalam na bukas pa.
Pinaalam.
Kasi nga may kasa ko ngayon. Akala ko ba magpapatapit?
Ikaw.
Hello! Miss! Dito po tayo sa Nome, Alaska. King crabs.
Frozen dagat. Ayan ang mga king crab eh.
Ano po yung mga king crabs? Asan na? Alam, nagtago na sila. Ayan na siya, guys. Aligidi! Come here. Come. It's okay. Oh, let's try and eat. Do you want to eat? Eating very good. Hi guys, we're back at home and Kelly is here. Medyo kumain naman na siya pero ang onte. So I'm gonna try to keep her. Like if papaharap ko yung food sa kanya. But if may na pa rin siyang kumain, I'm gonna try to force feed. And the vet said na she has an infection. It's not on her urine kasi nakaihi naman siya. Pero may nana kasi dun sa genital area niya. So, the doctor says that it might be from being in heat. So, infection siya sa mattress niya. And yung spay niya dapat kasi after vaccination pa, but hindi pa kasi niya tapos yung anti-rabies na lang. So, I think if hindi pa daw mag-improve, need na niya ma-spay. So, she's here. Then, my baby. So, she's going to have meds. And I'm scared because it's my first time na bibigyan siya ng meds. Inlock mo, ma?
Pinaka-rigos.
Yuck!
Kelly! It was the night. Kelly! Big, big, bop! Ming, mang! Ming, mang, ming! Ting, ting, tong! Ming, mang, ming!
Kelly! Kelly! Are you, bebe? Hmm? Kelly! Hmm?
We're just here in our neighborhood. Because we're rich.
Yeah, it's our usual
Tambay.
afternoon merienda.
Just, you know, our snack.
Yan na si Good Moral Church.
Early, sabi ko nga.
Walang routine.
Early lunch, ano? Late lunch, early. I think so, yun na lang. Pero alam eh. First time ko din na pumunta kami.
Can we see your tummy? Huh? Guys, ang hirap naman. Can you make higa? Make higa. Yan, yan, yan. Hala, hala. Kelly. Ayan, ayan. Very good, very good. Let's see your face. Oh, see? Uy. Done na. Sorry, please don't judge me as a cat parent. Kelly!